Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on these Lisa Frank-inspired tiger stripes. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the stamping today, I'm going to be using some Color Club neons. The pink is Warhol, the orange is One Love, the yellow is Yellin' Yellow, the green is We Liming, the blue is Chelsea Girl, and the purple is Mrs. Robinson. Before I do my stamping, I'm going to be applying a base color of Not Milky White. For the stamping today, I'm going to be using this tiger stripe design from the M69 Conad plate, and I'm going to be applying all 6 colors at an angle. Once I've got the design picked up, I'm going to line it up on my nail and stretch the design just a bit to make sure it reaches the edge. Then I'm going to move on to the rest of my nails. I didn't use latex because I didn't think I'd need it, so I did just a little bit of final cleanup, and now I'm going to finish everything off with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Sèche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out, although I wish I'd stretched the stamper just a little bit more on a few of the nails. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, that's up now over on my VODs channel, or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. Maybe let me know if you have a favorite Lisa Frank animal. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.